Hey y'all, Chuck here with No Time to Be Sad. Hey guys, thank you for clicking on my channel. My channel is about life in Isan. I gave up the American dream of buying crap that we don't need to impress people that we don't like with money that we don't have. To move to Asia, to Thailand with my Thai wife that I met in the United States.
I love Thailand. I love Paige.
We've been married for 12 years. We retired at an early age. I was 46 and Paige was, I think, 40 when we retired. So we live here in Isan in Thap Phnom, Thailand. Every day is an unpredictable day for me. I want every day to be new and adventurous and great. What we're trying to do is bring Thailand life and traveling around the world to you. Our everyday life is what I want to show, and I hope you guys come along for the adventure. Please subscribe to the channel. We have awesome adventures all throughout Thailand and all throughout the world. And yeah, no time to be sad.